Hi everyone, we've got some exciting events coming up and I want to share those with you today. The first one is going to be our seller seminar that is on April 18th. Details is going to be coming out in your social media and also through email. So please mark your calendars if you're thinking about selling. We're going to cover the whole gamut of going through the process and also relay to you some amazing tips and what's happening in the market and how to plan to maximize your price this spring and summer. Number two, this is our second one. We're going to make this annual. Only this one is going to be amazing. We have tons of games. In addition to that, we even have a little gambling game on horses. And then, of course, we'll watch the racehorses race and everything else for the Derby. Dress up in your finest. You'll see that invitation coming out. And then in June, we have our shred day. So after you've filed those taxes and you have those boxes you need to get rid of, you can bring it all to our office in June and shred all of it at no charge. So those are our big events that are coming up. I'll hope you'll join me for them and be on the lookout in your email. Anything we can ever answer or do for you, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for joining me on this video. Missy Stagers, broker owner of M. Stagers Realty Partners and team leader of the Missy Stagers team.